Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 21W40A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in the snapshot, just keep on watching. There have been some small world generation tweaks, such as most biome sizes being increased. Ore distribution has also been changed, so now whilst you strip mine, you will encounter a lot more ores. For example, there are now a lot more unexposed diamonds, and more iron ore spawns above level 80. This chart was released in the Snapshot article page. You can see the new ore generation on the left side, and the older ore generation on the right side. You can see that diamonds spawn a lot more on lower levels, and iron spawns more in the higher levels. Additionally, copper ore now has a chance of dropping 2 to 5 raw copper items, instead of 2 to 3 as seen in earlier versions. There have been quite a few changes to mob spawning. Firstly, axolotls now only spawn in water, above clay blocks, or in lush caves. Glow squids only spawn in water blocks under height 30. Squid, dolphins, and all fish now only spawn in water from height 50 to height 64. However, tropical fish can now also spawn in lush caves at any height. A couple other important tweaks are that zombies can once again spawn in dripstone caves, and goats can no longer spawn in stony peaks. The AIs for axolotls, goats, hoglins, zoglins, piglins, piglin brutes, and villagers have been optimized. Moreover, bedrock layers are now generated dependent on the world seed. Those are all the important changes that have been made to the snapshot. There have also been a few bug fixes, but it would take a while to go over them, so if you want to check out the full snapshot article, the link will be in the description. But if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!